Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your Oculus Quest 2 username. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Oculus, you have three options for you to create your account. You can continue signing in with their Facebook, your Instagram account, or you can use a business or working email. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, there are gonna be several reasons why you might want to change your Oculus Quest 2 username, okay? Because say for example, you might wanna simply prefer a different username for your Oculus profile. This could be due to evolving personal taste or wanting a username that better reflects your identity or interests. If your current username contains a personal information, or if you want to maintain a higher level of anonymity while gaming or engaging in virtual social interactions, of course, changing your username can help protect your privacy. But how do we do it? I suggest you use a web browser or your computer because it's hard to change your username when you're using your mobile device. All right? Now, all I have to do is log in to your account, and then I need you to go to the upper right corner where it says profile. Okay, it's a very easy and straightforward process because when you click on your profile, you would be able to see your name and your username here. Now, obviously, if you click on the edit option, you would be able to provide your new username. Okay, say for example, I'm gonna be changing that. But please be mindful of the unique and strong creativity within your username, because there's going to be a error notification if you're not complying with the terms and conditions. And of course, you just need to provide your Meta account password. And after doing so, all I have to do is click on save, and that's it. Basically, it's really easy to change your Oculus Quest 2 username. But the thing is, if you're having problem changing your Oculus Quest 2 username here, all the things and the steps have you done already, but it's not progressing and you're still getting error, you might want to go here instead. This is the Oculus technical support, and from here tell them you're having problems changing your Oculus Quest 2 username. One of the customer agents will be more than glad to provide you troubleshooting steps on how to deal with it. Say, for example, you just wanted to maybe you use a different type of browser or delete cache, because sometimes bugs and glitches affects the website or the platforms on changing your Oculus Quest 2 username. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.